Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce became the second fastest woman of all time after her lifetime best 100 meters race.
Women in history.
Don't forget to subscribe. Please like and share. Your comments below are most appreciated.